Well, now I haven't done a video in a while, so here's another one. This is actually version 4, perhaps. Of course, as soon as I start recording, it doesn't want to work right. I'm refining it as I go, you know. But right, so I've got trying to brace it between my knees so that y'all can see. But here's version 3 of this EDF rubber band design unit. I have different ideas for this, but nonetheless, I'm using a rubber band as the pulley. If I get that TPU filament and another 3D printer, I might change that up a bit. I might change the scale of this, but nonetheless, I'm just messing about. And so, I don't know, screwing about, you know. 3D printer. It's pretty cool. So I got probably a 2-to-1 ratio, and you can see that it still has rubbing issues. As precise as I try to be, I still have rubbing issues. So some sanding, you know, stuffed up paper up in there might need to be done. Just free it up a bit, but let's see if I can't. Let's see if I can't. I don't know, blow hard into it enough that the pulley which drives it, which in reverse would be a 1-to-2. Let's see if I can get this thing spinning. Nah, barely. See, it gets stuck. It gets stuck, and you know, apparently there's some stuff to be worked out about it. Anyways, it's not about the destination. Some would say it's about the journey. So journey on I shall. And maybe one day I might make something of this. And of course there's my paper airplane rubber band duck fan, you know, but I'm ADHD, well, not diagnosed as such, but I can't stay focused, especially with this 3D printer. This 3D printer is so freaking cool. So cool. You know, possibilities really open up with 3D printer. So, yeah. There it might be. I've worked on other stuff. I haven't made videos of it. But, sorry. Not much of a YouTuber. I think I've made that much clear. Anyways, have a good one. And if you are so sad to want to subscribe, well, go ahead and do that shit then. If not, I don't blame you.